So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to give someone access so they can manage your Hostinger account as well. So the first thing you want to do is log into your H panel or just log into your Hostinger account and you'll be redirected straight away. From here you can see home, websites, domains, horizons, emails, VPS, billing, as well as account sharing and so on. So through here there's two ways you can actually access that. You can first go through the account. You can see account information, security, account sharing, account activity, notification settings, language, and you can see account sharing at the bottom. So through here, you can click on account sharing. So you can see, choose this option. And there's another Hostinger account you would like to manage. A request email will be sent to the email address. So if you want to manage someone else's account, you can do it through here. But if you want to grant access, you can do it through here. So choose this option if you have a person creating or managing your web hosting. When the access to your account is granted, a confirmation email is sent to the email address provided below. So you will already see a list of users which are able to manage your Hostinger account, and you can also grant access to new users as well. So you can see who do you give access to. So just type in an email address. After that, you can choose roles for the people that you've added, like admin, collaborator. You can see manage services, select services they'll be allowed to manage. So search or select service. If you've already created some service, you can just choose between the services which are better described through there. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Hostinger or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.